Boston, CBS. Passengers were evacuated from Terminal C at Logan Airport, due to a carbon monoxide leak late Sunday afternoon. Massport said there were high levels of CO in the terminal just before 6 p.m. Out of an abundance of caution, Massport Fire-Rescue had people move outside. The Massachusetts State Police reports the leaking carbon monoxide apparently came from a snow melting machine. Massport reports the terminal was vented and has returned to normal operations. Logan Airport's Terminal C was temporarily evacuated Sunday because of high levels of carbon monoxide, according to Massachusetts State Police. Officials believe the carbon monoxide levels were caused by a snow melting machine outside of the terminal building. Passengers and airport employees were evacuated to the curb, said State Police Trooper Paul Sullivan. The terminal was vented and reopened at about 6:30 p.m., approximately 50 minutes after it had been